Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and in this video I'm going to be talking about VAT, which is value added tax. Do you need to be VAT registered? Do you need to pay VAT? What is VAT? So this was a little bit of an emotional roller coaster for me because growing up, I didn't grow up around business people. I left school at 16 years old with no qualifications and stumbled into property, became successful in property, and then very soon, shortly after that, realized that suddenly VAT was a thing. So what VAT is it's a value added tax. So it's an extra tax that's hit on things, and whether you like it or whether you like it not, you right now will be paying VAT. If you are not VAT registered, you'll be paying VAT personally all of the time. Nearly every business in the UK is VAT registered, most businesses. And when you buy from a business, if you've ever bought a course from me, or if you've stayed at a hotel, or just paid for just pretty much anything, you're going to pay an extra 20% on top of what you buy, but you normally won't even know about it. Because normally a company, they won't say to you, the hotel is £100 plus VAT. They'll say, the hotel is £120. And you don't even know that you're paying for the hotel plus you're paying VAT. The hotel, or whoever it is, or if it's me as a company, will take your £120 and £20 of that will give straight to the VAT man, and then the £100, of course, they're still going to pay tax on the £100 as well. So that's what VAT kind of is. Now, if you're VAT registered, here's the great thing about being VAT registered. If you're VAT registered, every time your company or you buy something like stay at a hotel, or you buy your mobile phone bill even, the VAT that's added, you can claim that back. So if I go and stay at a hotel and I pay £120, I'll say to them, please could I have a VAT receipt? They'll give me the receipt and it will show the VAT, and then I'll then ask the VAT man to give me the VAT back. Now, that's the good thing. The bad thing about being VAT registered is you need to pay VAT on everything. So every time you charge somebody for your product or your services, you've got to add VAT on top. So that's what VAT is. Now, you might be thinking now, do I want to be VAT registered or do I not want to be VAT registered? Because you do have a choice. However, as soon as your turnover hits £85,000, suddenly you do not have a choice. You have to be VAT registered by law. So I want to give you a warning right now because so many of my students are smashing that £80,000 turnover threshold pretty quickly as well. Now you might think £80,000 a year for my company, that's quite a long time away, but it actually isn't, because this is £85,000 turnover, not profit. So if you're in a business like serviced accommodation, where you're getting £100 maybe a night for the property and you're renting out 20 times a month, that's kind of adding up. You've got a few of those properties, your turnover is very quickly going to get to £85,000 a year. So if you're getting close to the VAT threshold, speak to an accountant and make sure that you become VAT registered. It was a little bit of a roller coaster for me because firstly, I didn't even know I needed to be VAT registered. I started my deal sourcing company, I was sending lots of deals, and then suddenly I was like, holy moly, I got to get VAT registered. And then suddenly it was like, oh my goodness, I got to add 20% on. My customers are going to go mad. I just increased my prices by 20%, and guess what? No one cared. I thought, I should have probably increased my prices earlier. So it went from, oh no, to actually this is fine. And then when I realized that I could then claim the VAT back on stuff, now it's fine. So I've been VAT registered now for years and it's all good. That's a mini crash course. I hope you found this useful. If you did, smash the like button. If you've got a question around VAT, comment below. And if you want me to do videos on any other topic around property, business, finance, investments, let me know what you want to hear about below in the comments and I'll do my best. You ask, I answer. Thanks so much. Also, please do me a massive favor. I put out all this content. All I want you to do in return is subscribe to the channel. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. And if you want to watch more videos, you can check them out right here. And you can subscribe over here. And if you want to be mentored by me and my team, you can find out more about that in the description below, which is samuel365.com. I'll leave a link in the description. See you next time.